I'm sure that you've all heard of the famous slow cooker Mississippi pot roast. Well, tonight I'm making Mississippi chicken in the crock pot. I'm Tess, and welcome to my kitchen. The ingredients are few and simple in this slow cooker Mississippi chicken recipe. I'm using a packet of ranch dressing mix and Au Jus gravy mix. I have some skinless bone-in chicken thighs in my slow cooker, and I'm sprinkling the contents of both packets over the chicken. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links to where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. On top, I'm putting some chunks of unsalted butter, and of course, we can't forget the pepperoncini peppers. I'm also putting in a little of the juice for some added flavor. That's it. The lid goes on and cooking on high for 3 to 4 hours or on the low setting for 6 to 8 hours. It's been a little over 3 hours and the Mississippi chicken is done. It smells wonderful. You can see a nice sauce is formed. You want to use skinless chicken as you don't want a whole lot of fat, and I think the bone-in chicken thighs are the best to use as they hold up better in the slow cooker. Tonight I'm serving with some homemade macaroni and cheese and broccoli. You can serve with some rice, pasta, or potatoes to absorb all that wonderful, flavorful sauce. This Mississippi slow cooker chicken dinner is a winner. I hope you give it a try and enjoy. If you like this slow cooker Mississippi chicken recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Steemit, Facebook, and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!